it going? I'm Doug with US Dent. I'll show you how we fix the motorcycle tanks. Just picked this up from one of the local Harley dealerships. It's got a nice dent in it. There in the front corner. Looks like from a handlebar hitting it. If the camera will pick that up from here or not. It's a fuel injected model, so I can get my whole arm in there if I have to. Makes it a lot easier. This has some pretty thick metal though. Let's see what we can do with it. Alright, let's see if we can get this thing mounted to this stand here. This is the tricky part. I had to mount this little piece to this big piece. The back of the tank will mount here, and the front of the tank will mount up here with some screws. I'll show you how it connects after I slide this in place. Alright, I about got it mounted to this little beam here. One tip I can offer is make sure you put the right end of this screw in. The Allen wrench only fits in one end. If you get it in backwards, then you got to take everything back apart. So put the more pointy end in first. Screw down. Washers. Alright, so we got her screwed down. Now we can take this and mount it to the stand. Take you into the shop and show you how we do that. Okay, now I need to find some leverage. This plastic insert that I have tape wrapped around because it's pretty slick is too narrow for this fuel injected opening. Luckily, there's other ways thanks to that shelf down in there. You guessed it, the dent dial. Worked perfect in this situation to get enough leverage to push that dent up for the first few pushes anyway. So after a couple rounds in and out, this is what I've got left so far. That's some nice crown to push back down into the dent. Going with one of these Ike tool double bend red balls to finish it off. Alright, so we got it pretty close. There's a couple lows to pick out. A bit of a shallow crease left. It's hard to work it at that angle when the opening is at this angle. But we'll get it eventually. Alright, we got her all done here. Hit it with a little wet sandpaper because I use a tap down that has the big red ball on it. It tends to bruise the area a little bit. Just gonna polish that off, get it off of this stand, and it'll be ready to go. Alright, I put a nice coat of wax on it to help with the wow factor. This place gives me a lot of customers. Try to make them happy. Came out all right. Let's deliver it.